Hey guys, this is Gokul from Independent Scientist. Today I have planned to review this mosquito racket from CostarMatter. This is one of the budget friendly mosquito bat. It's priced around 900 I think so. It's available in Amazon and Flipkart. I have already attached the link in description. Kindly look this mosquito bat. This is foldable. You can able to fold this one and you can able to hit the mosquito from the ceiling itself. You can able to adjust the height, the direction of this mosquito net. You can able to fold it, use properly from this one. You have a Type-C charging slot here, so you can able to charge with your mobile charging itself. It has a charging cable from brand, then user manuals, then there will be a stand available for this. You can attach this and you can just need to keep this mosquito bat near where mosquito is present, then on this one. It has a standby. It will automatically produce the UV light. It will attract the insects, right? So as well as the mosquito. So it will attract here. Once it is a shock proof, you will not get any shock from these mosquitoes because it is a three layer protection available here. So once the mosquito enters, it will hit. So it has a 3500 volt amplification from the 1200 mAh battery. It has a playback around 4 hours and you need to charge up to 3 hours. What is the thing I am suggest you to is just buy this adapter from CostarMatter, also available. Then there is a charging cable is also available from long charging cable. So it's priced around I think 700 itself. Then the cables will be around 300. If you need a good protection, you need to buy a adapters cable. If you have already, leave it, that's not an issue. But what is the exact issue is you need to charge this one every day to use this one. So it's around 4 hours only, right, playback. So you need to connect it with the Type-C charging in a live time. So you need not use this to charge. It will completely in online. So it will hit the mosquito in 24 hours. You can enjoy this one. You never turn off this. It will automatically run and it will hit the mosquito. So you need not to charge this one again and again. So these are the things, advantages present in this mosquito bat. Then there will be a different type of buttons presented here. What they are is, if you are using this one for a handy purpose, you need to turn on the first one and you need to click the what do you mean, if you need press the button, it will only work. If you have turned on the second switch, it will completely on. It is an automated one. You need to just plug it here and nearby you are sleeping, you need to put this one with the connector with the Type-C charging cable with the adapter, supported adapter. It will completely in on, like 24/7 it will work. These are the things present in this mosquito bat. Then the other purpose of this bat, you need to remove this one. It is a completely a stand type purpose one. So it has a good comfortable sitting in the plain surface, or what else you have attached this one. So these are the things present. I have attached the product link from Amazon and Flipkart. It has a 1 year of warranty from the manufacturer side. If there any issue, they will replace this product within 1 year. So in the future time, it may the battery may be dead, but there is no issue because you are using the Type-C for the power slot, right? So you can use this one with a adapter. So it will work on 24/7 with no power supply interruption. So you need to do one thing is, you need to give the power supply to this device from full time. These are the things you need to do. A good battery backup and a usable thing, I think so. Then there will be a different these are the same mosquito bat. I have used these one for past 1 month. There will be a several mosquitoes present. I think dead mosquitoes will be there, I think. So these are the things happen. Then there is another model also available, but in this model the UV is not exact comfortable. You need to turn this one for the below UV. So it's not good comparing with those what do you mean mosquito bats. So one thing I do, I will test this one how it's working. So just you need to power it with the power bank also. But what is the thing is, you need to charge these one also, because it's consuming more power. So you need to connect it with on the AC supply with the adapter. It will be a comfortable one for you. So once I have connected this one, the UV will on. But what is the exact issue is this is also shock proof. You will not get any shock from these mosquito bats. You need to turn this one, and you need to hang up it, right? So these are the thing you need to do. If you are not comfortable with these, you can buy kindly that what do you mean mosquito bats. So I prefer you to buy these only, right? So these are the good thing you can buy. It's from Costar brand. So I have attached the complete link in description. Take a look on there, and you may decide what is the purpose available here. Thank you guys. I hope you will like this video, because this is the new things with type C charging, I think so. So you can buy this one. I have attached the Amazon and Flipkart link in description. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. If you have any doubt, kindly comment it below. Then these are the things. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.